गुड
गुड
मॉर्निंग।
मॉर्निंग। हेलो। बोर हो गए ना लॉकडाउन के कारण? कोई बात नहीं, आज हम आपको उत्तराखंड की सैर घर बैठे बैठे ही करा देते हैं। देखिए, बैकग्राउंड में टिहरी डैम, एशिया का सबसे बड़ा डैम। इसके बाद आओ पेड़ की डाल पर बैठ इन पक्षियों से मिलो।
ये कुछ सुंदर पक्षी हैं उत्तराखंड के।
Now, get some information of Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand is known as land of the gods. Why it is called land of the gods? It is called land of the gods because number of holy Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers located in Uttarakhand state. You heard about Badrinath, you heard about Kedarnath, you know about Gangotri, you know about Yamunotri. You know about the group of temples at Jageshwar and many more in whole Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is not only the land of God, but it is also known for its beauty, the beauty of Himalaya, the beauty of Bhabar region, the beauty of Tarai region. The Uttarakhand state came into existence on 9th November 2000 as a 27th state of Republic of India. Previously, it was part of Uttar Pradesh. The state divided into two divisions, Garhwal and Kumaon. If you go back to historic background of Uttarakhand, these two segments of Uttarakhand are called Kedarkhand and Manaskhand. Presently, these two subdivisions are divided into 13 districts. Uttarakhand is very rich in flora and fauna, hence you will be able to find great diversity here in those areas. Its border, natural boundaries of Uttarakhand, you know, in north it is surrounded by Tibet Autonomous Region, while in far western region it is surrounded by Mahakali Jog. In the east, it shares boundary with Nepal and the Indian state Uttar Pradesh, while in south, Uttar Pradesh, while in northwest, Himachal Pradesh is neighboring state of Uttarakhand.
Now we are taking you to the first national park of India, the Corbett National Park.
Corbett National Park is first wildlife park of India established in 1936 AD during the British period. Its total area is 1318.54 square kilometer comprising three segments. First one of 520.82 square kilometer, the area being Corbett Park. Then 301.18 square kilometer, there is Sona Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary. Then rest of the 496.54 square kilometer is reserve forest. And the park lies in two districts of Uttarakhand, one from Garhwal, Pauri, and another from Kumaon, Nainital. The Corbett National Park is the home of thunderous tiger, trumpeting elephant, and the twittering birds. Hence, the park is popularly given a title of Land of Roar, Trumpet, and Song. Uh, it is situated mainly around the valley of Ram Ganga river, which is geographically known as Patli Dun. Partly Dun means a broad, flat valley where the shining, rushing water of the river Ramganga wanders through the hills and valleys. You will you will see in this park superb hog deer, barking deer, sambar, cheetahs, and also the variety of some goral, mongoose, squirrels, varieties of squirrel, rattle, antelopes, and uh, butterflies. When we move inside this park, so we got 8 watchtowers. Through these watchtowers, we can view the whole Corbett National Park. But it is between the month of November to June, you will have to see the elephants, the tigers, and the varieties of flora and fauna in the here in the plain. Gram Ganga touches to the plain near Kalagarh, where the big Kalagarh dam is situated.
Okay, come with me inside the Corbett Park. See the valley of Ramganga.
This is the valley of Ram Ganga. Uh, Here you are able to see that through these roads we will move ahead, and here sun is trying to reach on land or inside the Ram Ganga valley. Here is the uh, place where you are watching elephants, strip of elephants from watch tower, and there is the cubs of the tiger, Bengal tiger, which is a tiger reserve made inside that Corbett National Park.
Now meet blue color roller landing and stag enjoying the freedom.
This is called freedom. You visit, you feel freedom like the stag is feeling here. This is our Prime Minister with Bear Grylls. This is a program which was telecasted on Discovery Channel, and Bear Grylls choose the Corbett National Park due to the beauty, due to the abundance of flora and fauna inside the Corbett National Park.
Now, if you want to send your friends, relatives to Corbett, thus for this we are giving you information how to reach.
Ramnagar town is the headquarters of Corbett Tiger Reserve. Here you will have main entry of the Corbett National Park.
By road,
Ramnagar is very good connected with road. It is 260 km away from the capital of India, New Delhi, and well connected with the Uttarakhand bus services, Uttar Pradesh bus services.
by rail,
By rail, it is also connected with the various cities and towns of India. You can reach through train from Lucknow, from Moradabad, from Delhi. And the main trains like Ranikhet Express, Corbett Link Express, Katgodam Express, you can check to visit the park.
staying at Corbett Park.
If we went inside Corbett National Park and we didn't stayed here, so it is, I think, something we are lacking. Here you will get a number of staying places like Dikala Forest Lodge, jungle safaris, number of jungle safaris. This is the slide showing you the picture of Nola. Nola is the word. Nola is a drinking water storage system of Uttarakhand villages. Might be possible some of you have seen, or if you don't have seen, you just visit, come here and enjoy the bathing in the Nola.
Must visit, but not these days. Enjoy the clip these days and wait, soon lockdown will end. Then come and enjoy the beauty of Corbett. Thank you.